Storyboarding helps you get your ideas organized. So it's like it's a visual outline where you sketch out each scene of your project like a comic strip. So learning how to create storyboarding in Canva can be really helpful, can really help you. So what you can do, let's say when you have a business, you can explain a new product to a customer's, planning a marketing campaign, or even training new employees using visual roadmap. That really makes complicating things clear for everyone, really help avoid any confusion and get everyone on the same page, from the tech teams to clients. So it's really a flexible tool to use storyboarding. And how you can do this in Canva, you're gonna have to search here storyboard, and here you have a couple of actually themes. You can click on storyboard. It's gonna give you a lot of themes available here. As you can see, there are a lot of themes. Actually, look here, how many themes, 2020 templates available for you to use. And now let's say I would like for a business, as I said before. So I'm going to write here storyboard business. So look, we have some options here for a project, for let's see which storyboard will actually work for a business. Let's say we have to present to a client our new idea. And now what we can do is really presented us with really a variety of storyboards, designs for different purposes, but make sure you really pick a template that really suits your need. And they are, as you see, like there are layouts with varying numbers of panels and styles, but you have to customize it, right? The beauty of Canva is that you can customize. You can click on any element, you can change it, you can apply your own images or illustrations, and you can also explore the library of Canva. But now let me use this one and click on customize this. And now I'd like to add this to explanation for my business. So here I'm gonna add this title here, change the color to white, and this is the idea. You can right click here and align to the page. You can click on center. Now frame, or this is great also for a film, is giving you some ideas here. So you can now change some parts of here. You think to yourself what you need, or for actually this this film kind of example, it's very good for this video. So you see frame 1 here, you begin with a shot of the bustling train station, panning slowly over the crowd to focus on the woman in question. Frame 2, the camera focuses on a man in a hurry, rushing through the crowd, avoiding eye contact. Very, very nice, this one. So this way you can add storyboard. So you can also still search here and design storyboards, and here you can still change this if you don't like actually this design, this storyboard. You can still look for the storyboard, but very simplistic. We replace current page, and now here we have this one, storyboard structure, and I can add it here. I can add you see we have this text here, and I can add this, what I need for this storyboard. You see, very, very helpful. Now you just have to, so to build a strong storyboard, you're gonna have to think like a movie director, guys. You're gonna have to ask yourself, what are the key scenes in my story? Who are the characters? And what what's going on in each scene, what's going to happen, what are the action here, what are the actions, or what's the action in fact. Now what kind of feeling do I have, do I want to create? It's like a more exciting feeling. So once you answer these questions for each scene and sketch out, you'll have a strong storyboard, and that clearly shows your entire idea. So please, I hope this idea is going to help you, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.